Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature rarely before seen 11 insights into how I attract more visitors to my blog. And also, 27 time proven best practices you can use to increase your blog traffic. In this podcast, I shall share 11 simple and reliable tips that I use to increase traffic to my blog site. Let's first take a look at how to get traffic from search engines by setting up a direct link to your blog's articles site. The 11 tips I use to increase traffic to my blog site. By linking to other blogs published on your site, you can help readers find other relevant content on your site by keeping them longer. Internal links can also help you spread the success of your blog to others on your site, improving your rankings in the process. Create a blog about a topic that other people write about. Companies use a variety of strategies to build backlinks, but one example is creating a better blog about a topic other people write about and then connecting people who link to their content. Anytime another website decides that it is helpful for its readers to direct them to useful information on your site, your website is much more likely to provide that information. This is especially true if you have a ton of great posts about that topic. HubSpot found that businesses that have a blog on their website earn 97% more inbound links. Blogging companies get 97% more links to their websites from other online sources. When you have a blog that is regularly updated with high-quality posts and on topics that are relevant to your audience, it can make a huge difference to how your site as a whole performs in search engines. If you are researching blogs and SEO, you will find many articles that emphasize the importance of creating new content to get good search results and website traffic. When you expand your website with blog posts, you will naturally increase your search rankings by introducing new content to Google. Regular blogging also allows you to start targeting more secondary keywords that will expand your audience through search presence. This will make it easier for you to link your blog posts to your other web content, and vice versa, and ultimately help you achieve higher rankings on search engine results pages. Plus, you can use your blog to create content that your audience can share with their links. Reading other people's blogs and leaving meaningful comments, not spam links, or guest posts helps promote your blog and get traffic. Blogging is a great way to drive traffic to your website and improve SEO. Blogs are good for SEO because they help with a number of things that are important ranking factors. Consistently creating blog posts and posting them frequently will not only connect you with your customers but can also make a huge difference in overall traffic. One of the benefits of a blog is that it offers you real estate online, where you can start winning on keywords that your potential customers will enter into search engines to find products and services that are exactly the same as yours. As long as you don't stuff yourself with keywords, you will benefit in the long run and ultimately learn how to increase your blog traffic. The bottom line is that blogging always benefits your SEO if you do it right. For those companies that use their blog content to improve SEO, that strategy can be an important component of growing their business success. There are hundreds of blogs out there, and the first step to making your blog section stand out is to use a unique brand. Use social media to promote your blog, find an audience, and increase traffic to your website. Having social media can improve search engine optimization results and increase referral traffic. Using tools like Sumo or Addis to add social media publishing to blog posts can help increase the traffic to your posts. Many people wonder if it is better to blog on a certain platform. Well, nothing prevents you from successfully blogging on popular website builders like Shopify, Squarespace, or Wix, and following the tips in this article can help you increase the traffic and sales of websites built on these platforms. I especially love posting on an almost daily basis on Medium because it has a high domain ranking. This is critical in getting to the top of the search engine's rankings. Conclusion and the takeaways. The 11 strategies I shared above will help you discover and lay the foundation for using affordable blogging sites to drive traffic to your site and aid in search engine optimization. My post will also help you narrow your list down to the best blogging sites available to increase traffic to your site and aid in search engine optimization. It is very important to use SEO techniques to generate more organic traffic and engagement on your blog and website. Building SEO-friendly blog posts is critical to the success of your content marketing strategy because it allows you to appear in Google results and generate organic traffic. A well-written and informative blog can help you drive targeted traffic to your website. Building a blog will also help you build links to your site. Remember, blogging is one of the many ways to increase traffic to your site. You can click on the below website to find out how you can increase your blog traffic the easy way. By using these 27 time-proven best practices, you can easily increase your blog traffic to attract more visitors. Click here to access the URL where you can watch and read 27 easy ways to increase your blog traffic by 406% for free. Here is the URL to read about the 27 proven tips. https://www.beginner.com/beginnersguide/how to increase your blog traffic/. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning Rarely Before Seen 11 insights into how I attract more visitors to my blog, and also 27 time-proven best practices you can use to increase your blog traffic. Let me know how you like my podcast in your comments below. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.